Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills Training and Development Career Guide. In this video we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become a training and development manager, and how a Vskills placement cell can help you with your job. For complete study guide, you can go to the link shown in the description. So let's get started. The role of manager in the training and development area is to perform tasks like planning, coordinating, and directing skills and knowledge enhancement programs for an organization's staff. Moreover, training and development managers control the training programs, staff, and budgets, as well as create content and materials for training programs. The responsibilities of a training and development manager are: training and development managers supervise training and development specialist staff, that includes instructional designers, program developers, and instructors. They work with executives and financial managers to identify and match training priorities with overall business goals. They assess employees' needs for training, and also align training with the organization's goals. Training and development managers create and manage training budgets, as well as implement training programs. They update training programs for ensuring its relevance, and teach training methods and skills to instructors and supervisors. The training and development certification validates the candidate's knowledge on various areas that covers training skills, learning styles, training need assessment, designing training plan, competency-based training, new employee training, management development, mentoring, ROI and diversity training. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job provider, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell helps you in the job search, and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will get tagged as Vskills certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Vskills certified candidates will find employment in top companies like Adecco, Mercer India, Team Lease Services Limited, Bajaj Capital Limited, ICA Human Capital Solutions, ABC Consultants, etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS, and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified Training and Development Manager covers the following topics: training, development and education, training skills and techniques, learning and learning styles, training policy, designing training plan, competency-based training, new employee training, management development, mentoring and coaching, evaluation of training, effective training and development, train the trainer. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of a training and development manager. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, you will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.